Khago a big time coward. Suubi too. I'm a run from Meshak. No drop like a domino. Oh, Suubi a boss.
Welcome to Kingston, Kingston. Welcome to Kingston. Yeah. If I watch you on the grill, you a stay. Take a trip and come check out Kingston.
The one I select represent for Lion Food TV. What am I saying there? And the next one you know that I'm with it. 10 girl breeds, 10 right hand to it. Clean it and show you something wicked.
Welcome to Lion Food TV at the right place, so let's don't go nowhere.
Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell.
Yeah, man, bless your love and greetings, bless your love and greetings. A pleasant good morning, kings and queens, my lion and my lioness. Give thanks to life and health and strength, you know, Lion Foot there. You know what I mean? So, you know, the blessings to my fellow Jamaicans out there, give thanks to life. You know, watch your step. Don't forget to pray. Serious times out there. Yeah, man. Just remember, trust in the Most High. He will never let you down. You might be asking him to help and assist, and it seems long. Just go and hold your faith. Because I am in the same situation. See? Don't forget to like and share, subscribe, and click the bell. You're not a man of peace. See, we preach nothing but peace and love. Equality, diversity, equity, love, unity, strength. Yeah, man. Don't forget to like and share the content. Subscribe. And make sure you click the bell, become a fan of Lion Foot. See? Yeah, man, any promotional works, man. A business. Just link up any collaboration. Link up Lion Foot. I link up Team Flexi. Promotion. We get to Lion Foot. See? On the channel. So I say, that's the thing there. So we see crime and violence has spiraled, spread, scattered, escalated. It's evolving, especially in St. James. Yeah, man, crime and violence has risen again, you know. And it's not a good look, Star. Not a good look, my fellow Jamaicans. Not a good look for St. James, with the youths, them. There's a way out. Zine. Live in love and peace, man. Unity, strength. People, please go check out my song, my EP, Welcome to Kingston. The song, Welcome to Kingston, is the 4th track on the EP. See? Now the 5th track. Welcome to Kingston. Go check it out. We have Dear Lad. So me I say, big up all who reach out to me, all the producers, them, Jamaica, America. You know what I mean? Yeah, man. Afrocentric music, you know, around Sycamore, Jadonia. Yeah, man, everybody, man. Everybody who reach out and tell me, say, yo, EP sound good, you know. I love the sound. You know, the production. I have to give thanks to that because, you know, we are trying, we are do it. Not even try, we are do it. We just need, you know, the gate for open now. We just need opportunity. So I say, yeah, man, so we give thanks to life, health and strength and grateful. Grateful. Zine. Go and check out the EP, man. Welcome to Kingston, man. 6 reggae songs. I can choose which one you like. And give her your feedback, same way. That's all I'm asking for is feedback. And if you can bust a one share or a stream or add it to your playlist, please do so. See me? Yeah, man, and check out our new music forward from Real Askel, named Shell. Real Askel 45, the winning boss. Produced by Ron Sycamore. See? So, go on a quick flashback. You can look out for that one that I release soon, the official video.
Boy pick up spend shell. Mexican badness cartel. 4 or 5 cent boy soul go hell. Rest in peace and sweat.
Yeah, man, that's Real Askel. Based on what we see so far, the visuals look clean, you know, well orchestrated, the directing, you know. So big up all of the who played a part, the director, producer, who come in with them ideas. You see it? All we need is love, you know, unity and strength, you know. Share the food, share the joy, share the credit. See? Yeah, man. So we just say, yo, stop the crime, my fellow Jamaicans. The youths, I mean, the garrison them. The youths, I mean, the garrison them. There's a better way, man. There's a way out. Hold the peace and keep some event. Keep some event and try to make it build and grow, you see me? And when you can eat the food, and when you eat the food, and you share the money, share the food, and start trying to bring in some celebrities in the community, you see it? Yeah, man, and uplift the community, man, from crime and violence.
Welcome to Kingston, welcome to Jamaica, welcome to Kingston. The land of food and water. If a girl live in Larmobay, you must take a trip and come check out Kingston. Let's go!
Yes, so man, try bring some revenues, man, in the garrison them. So, man, I say, sports, you know? Yeah, man, try incorporate some sporting activities in the community them. Money can make in the garrison them, you know, enough of us come together and go to the drawing board, and unity. It cannot work or make without unity and strength and longevity of peace. See? Yeah, man, so. Anyway, big up on yourself. Meshak, big up yourself. You know, check out me. Welcome to Kingston. I'm going to snippet. We have Dear Lad. I'm going to snippet of Dear Lad because I know to say welcome to Kingston already. I'm going to look a snippet of Dear Lad.
Dear Lord, I call your name for a purpose, not in vain. For life I'm grateful, me not complain. Please.
Yeah, man, Dear Lord. Zen? Dear Lord, all who believe in the Almighty, go and check out the EP, Welcome to Kingston. See, now Meshak I shoot hard, you know. Meshak still shooting after Khago. Can't believe I know Khago no answer. They said that Khago a dancehall covered. Big up yourself, Khago, same way. Then, so, Meshak do a song in dancehall covered in a Western style. And to me, Meshak express a different side of his creativity and his ability. Zine, watch your go on.
Khago a goddamn coward. Him a run from the shop and fall like a domino. No, Suubi a powers. Well, no, him on the love.
Alright, we're going to review that one there though. We're going to review that dancehall covered. But I said, Khago a coward and Suubi a boss. Hey, but that's a repeat. What Meshak said though. Don't feel like we are trying to style Suubi. You know. Viewers and subscribers, yo. Meshak also have a song. The government badness. But we can't believe Khago no answer all no. Boy, me I tell you. Meshak at. Yeah, man, over there, we give thanks to life, health, and strength. Now, big up Meshak, big up Khago, big up Suubi. See me? Yeah, man. Back to the meditation. You know, we beg the youth them for stop the crime, man, and stop taking the lives of others, and innocent one and young child. You see me? Stop the violence against men and women and kids. You see me? What really are going on on the island? No rain, no fall, just be a blood a shed. You see me? Yeah, man. To my fellow Jamaicans out there and the rest of the world, stay safe. Live clean and pure and true. Zine. Stop the crime. It's not hard to stop, you know, but I know Lionfoot is going to continue. Keep on reiterating it, you know. Stop the crime. Please, may I beg you know. That's what I say. Stop the crime. You know what I live for see? 50 or 30. I live for soon to get grand pitney. Big up my one granddaughter. You see me? Yeah, man, we want to live, man. You to know to live up, man. Things might be rough, you don't have a job. You don't have an income or a way of making money. What you thought? Don't sell your soul or sell your rear or, you know? But dirt no one for gain. You see me? Blood money. Curse money. You might have it and feel like say, yeah, but curse, you curse. You see me? Yeah, man, I lion foot, man, big up on yourself. Holy man, will I still see you. Yeah, man, give thanks to life, health and strength, man, my viewers and subscribers. Peace. Remember, live good and clean, pure and true. And check out my single. Welcome to Kingston. And the EP. Welcome to Kingston. Holy man, will I still see you.
Let's go! Kingston was the hottest event. Up on Monday, Bossy Tuesday, boom boom I represent. Can't tire the dancer, check in and present. Everyone I enjoy themselves 100%. The party's full up of tourists. That's one thing I admire and notice. Who the